में सारी दुनिया चिन्ह घुमाया दिलों की बोल दे वे आपा करके बखाई बात बिग बॉस के पहले का आसिम बिग बॉस में आसिम और अब आसिम
आपकी वजह से 8 बच्चों की ड्रीम है बिग बॉस के हाउस में जाना। हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दैट?
सो वो चीज थी कि मेरे को मॉडलिंग करना है एंड आई वांट टू बी द बेस्ट।
लोग बोलते हैं स्टार्स ओवरनाइट बनते हैं। आज जो हमारे साथ गेस्ट है, ही इज अ लाइव एग्जांपल ऑफ स्टार्स ओवरनाइट नहीं, स्टार्स बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल, हार्ड वर्क और इयर्स ऑफ परसिवियरेंस से बनते हैं। ये एक रात की बात नहीं है, ये 5 मंथ्स की बिग बॉस हाउस की बात नहीं है, ये उस बारे में बात है जो पिछले 10 साल से वो कर रहे हैं। वी वेलकम आसिम, who is our star, who is the biggest star today, who's all over the news today. And Asim, I've known you for a while, I've seen you for a while, I've seen you through your days of, I wouldn't call it struggle, but I would call it learning. Because आपने पिछले 10 साल में जो किया है वो सीखा है, जिसकी वजह से आप आज यहाँ पहुँचे हैं। So if you had to choose between Big Boss से पहले का आसिम, Big Boss के दौरान आसिम, कि जो अब पूरी दुनिया जिस आसिम को देखेगी, which is your favorite आसिम?
Alright guys, firstly thank you so much for having me and it has been a beautiful journey, you know. रही बात बिग बॉस के पहले का आसिम, बिग बॉस में आसिम और अब आसिम, आई हैव बीन द सेम आसिम। पहले भी बिग बॉस में भी वही आसिम आया और अभी भी वही आसिम है, बट इट्स जस्ट सो मच ऑफ लव एंड सपोर्ट आई हैव गॉट एंड आई एम मोर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर बिग अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन माय लाइफ। बट जहाँ जिस व्यक्तित्व की बात करें, जो पर्सनैलिटी है जो दिखी लोगों को, आई थिंक मेरी जो उनको पर्सनैलिटी दिखी है उसी बेस पे उनको मैं पसंद आया हूँ इतना, क्योंकि आई वाज जस्ट सो रियल। Because I think my audience empathize with me because I show this emotion, good or bad, raw, uncut. So it's more about so उनको वो चीज़ अच्छी लगती है and this is the way it is and मैं वैसे ही रहूँगा जैसा उनको दिखाऊँ and this is the thing.
And I can vouch for this because जब से मैं आसिम को जानता हूँ और आज जो आसिम घर के बाहर निकल के इधर आए हैं, he is the exact same person.
Yes.
He treats everyone the same. He loves everyone the same. Yes. And stardom is just a tag that he's got.
Yes.
But as a person, he's as real can be.
Thank you.
बच्चों के ड्रीम होते हैं इंजीनियर बनना है, डॉक्टर बनना है, आपका ड्रीम होगा एक्टर बनना है, मॉडल बनना है। आपकी वजह से आज बच्चों की ड्रीम है बिग बॉस के हाउस में जाना है। हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दैट?
It's overwhelming. The feeling is overwhelming and I just thank you so much for all the support. मेरा भी ड्रीम because my dad sent me to Mumbai just to एक्टिंग कोर्स के लिए भेजा था, एक्सपोजर के लिए, कि आसिम अगर आप पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं हो तो आपको लाइफ में एक्सपोजर देखो कि लाइफ में just not I used to be that naughty guy in the house, तो bike rides and everything, complain, ये कर रहा है, तेज चला रहा है, so it was that lot of stress I was going. I spent 8 years here of struggle, hustle, the starting point of my life. But 2 साल पहले मैं जम्मू में भी struggle कर रहा था in the house, the family issue कि पढ़ाई नहीं, because एक भाई डॉक्टर है, बहन MBA कर रही थी, everybody was so good. Dad is retired case officer, cousins doctor, engineer, somebody's planning to go to UK, Dubai में ये, and when I used to sit there like आसिम तू रहने दे यार, तू बात नहीं कर, क्योंकि तू पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है, जो भी है। मैंने 12th तक किया, but 12th भी मैंने distance किया, I used to just go back and give papers. I was when I was 18 I was in Mumbai. तो with that being said, it was more, मेरा दिल भी टूटा था obviously। मैंने कहा यार just पढ़ाई हर चीज़ होती है क्या लाइफ में, बट मैंने अपने आप को एक जब मौका दिया गया मेरे को, that opportunity from my dad, because my dad is very educated, and he believed in me somewhere and he said okay, you're a good looking guy, तो modeling कर, and he told me to do it. I had nothing in my mind to do, to be honest. I came down to acting course and वो feeling आती है, वो इज्जत कमाना कि भाई अब बहुत हो गया, because घर भी जाऊँगा तो फिर डांट पड़ेगी, वापस आ गया है, कुछ कर नहीं रहा है। So it was more that self respect again, the self respect that dude, I want to earn respect now because अभी क्या रिश्ता बोलेगा तू ये नहीं है, तू वो नहीं है, या तू वापस आ गया, कुछ कर लाइफ में। So it was more that genuine to do something in life, whether it's so वो चीज़ थी कि मेरे को मॉडलिंग करना है and I want to be the best. So उस चीज़ में मैं लगा and so here I am and with all your love and support.
Amazing. और जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि भाई डॉक्टर हैं पर सबके दिल तो आपने जीते हैं।
जी।
So in a way you've also healed so many people and touched so many people's lives and you're impacting them so much. Also आपने बोला मॉडलिंग की वजह से आप इधर आए। What is closer to your heart, modeling or acting?
Acting, passion has been modeling, to be very honest. Acting मैंने सोचा था when I'll do something really big, and I'll be like okay, just like what I am today. तो I should get the best opportunity, just not कि हाँ मुझे मूवी मिल गई कर लिया, and I want to be I want to be the best thing कि मतलब पूरा तैयारी acting, there's so much things involved in acting. It's just not you go action बोला तो act करके आगे. It's a responsibility of the whole production, the people की आ रही है picture आ रही है तो कि देखे कोई, you know. But उसके पहले यही था मेरे को कि मैं modeling में सबसे best brands करूँ, you know. My agency, you guys, Toabh has been helping me from day one. I joined Toabh when I was 21, you know, and I'm going to be 26, 13 July. तो मेरा ये रिश्ता इनके साथ रहा है and Toabh ने जिस तरह मुझे help किया, just like family, you know. I've always, even if I was broke in Mumbai, even if I had nothing, but back in the mind I was like, I have people from Toabh to support me. तो वो जुनून जो मेरा हमेशा विजन हमेशा क्लियर रहा मेरा. अगर मैं घर भी चले गया 2 महीने नहीं भी गया, बट मेरा एक बैक इन द माइंड सेट था मैं कि अगर मैं जीरो भी हो गया बट फिर भी मैं मुंबई में रह सकता हूँ, you know. तो that junoon, you need that burning desire for anything in your life. It's just not modeling or acting or engineer, doctor, anything. You want to become a writer, you want to become a producer, director. पहले मैं सोचता था you need money to make money,
right?
But it's not that. It's you need that desire to make that money, because now when you have that desire, because people are going to come and help you. Hey, do this. Hey, you know, you guys, you know, Sangeeta ma'am helped me कि Asim, you have that thing. आपके shoots करवाते, मुझे test shoots करवाते थे. No money. I just they'll be like giving me opportunities because my vision was clear. My desire was like I'm gonna do it. I want to become the international model. You know. So desire की वजह से बना. उसमें मेरे को पैसे नहीं लगे. उसमें मेरा बस मैं काम आया, body काम आई. क्या चीजें होती हैं उस चीज को करने के लिए, and you need to get up every day and find out things how to do this. You know. It's just not you have prayed to God and now He's going to send somebody like, you know, okay, Asim needs this BMW, Asim needs this international model tag, Asim needs this acting the thing, but now he's not doing anything. He's just sitting in the corner having pizza and that's not going to happen. आपको उठ के you need to find out ways to do it. तो हर किसी को मैं यही बोलता हूँ, जो भी है, किसी को बिग बॉस जाना है, अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि फैंस बोल रहे हैं कि उनको बिग बॉस जाना है या चीज़ें इतनी सही हो रही हैं, so I think किसी को भी कुछ करना है लाइफ में, you need to have that burning desire for something and do not have a backup plan for that also.
Right.
When you go for something, I will get it. It will take 10 years, 20 years, 1 year, 2 years. किस्मत अच्छी कल हो जाएगा, किस्मत नहीं अच्छी. And it's all, I think the किस्मत is just the way your vibe is. आपकी मेहनत कैसी है. मेरे को 10 साल लग गए, you know, but मैंने give up नहीं किया. So all I'm saying is don't give up. Keep working hard. Tomorrow is another day. आज जो हुआ, लड़ाई हुई, मूड ऑफ हुआ, पैसे नहीं आए, पैसे चले गए, घूम गए. Tomorrow is gonna be another day. क्या पता पैसे मिल जाए, लड़ाई नहीं हुई, and you just eat well, you know. So I always had that hope, faith, you know, things gonna change tomorrow. And tomorrow करते करते मैं यहाँ पहुँच गया.
Correct.
That desire, that burning desire inside me never let me give up. So here I am. Yeah.
और burning desire को बहुत लोग misconceive और misperceive करते हैं सोच के you've got the tag in the house also of the angry young man.
Yes.
And people who know you personally know that you're not angry at all.
Yes.
You're young for sure.
Yes.
But ये tag कहाँ से है? Why do people think that you're angry? Like
I think somewhere they are right because मुझे जो लगता था कि मैं बहुत काम इंसान हूँ और मैं मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आता है, बट मैं ऐसे 20 लोगों में कभी रहा ही नहीं कि वो जो मेरा एंगर टेस्ट करे. तो एंग्री मैन, हाँ, वो सिर्फ एनवायरनमेंट की वजह से मेरे को एंग्री यंग मैन का टैग दिया गया. मैंने जब मेरे रजत सर जब इंटरव्यू लेने आए थे, उन्होंने कहा था आपको ये टैग मिला. मैंने कहा सर मैं यहाँ पे आप इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते हो. I can't just walk away because now this guy is troubling me. मैं दरवाजा नहीं खुलता कि मैं चले जाऊँ because real life में अगर ये लोग मिलते हैं मेरा टेस्ट करते हैं मैं चले जाता हूँ obviously. You know, मेरी मुंबई में 10 साल से रहा हूँ, 8 साल से रहा हूँ, मेरी कभी लड़ाई नहीं हुई किसी की. हाँ भाई तू क्या है, तू मुझे मिल. You know what I mean? You don't actually, you just chasing your dream here.
So the situation becomes
it's the situation around that you cannot ignore. Somebody is poking you, somebody is instigating you कि आपको गुस्सा टेस्ट कर रहा है. So you are just more like, you know what, rather than just going away, I'm going to sit with the chair and tell me on my face now. And that thing used to go a long way and बोलते रहे, but here I am, it's okay.
And on a lighter note, इस angry young man को सबसे happiness क्या चीज़ या कौन देता है?
Happiness, it's just my work, you know. अगर Bigg Boss House की बात करें, they were friends. Himanshi, I fell in love with her, you know. So she made me feel very positive, you know. And वो मेरा गुस्सा भी control बोलती थी, you know, just not the right time to do this, say this, you know, गुस्सा control कर. She said a lot of things when she went, you know, कि Asim, you know, अपना गुस्सा control करना, जीत के आना, you know, she told me in my ear, you know. So I'm like, okay, great, we got it. So it was more the vibe around me, my friends, Rashmi, Vishal, you know, it was तो खुशी यही दे रहे थे मेरे को, हिमांशी, so there you go. Yeah.
बहुत पॉपुलर गाना आया था ब्लू आइज हिप्नोटाइज,
जी।
आपको तो लोग कहते हैं ग्रीन आइज हिप्नोटाइज कर दिया.
Alright.
सो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन लाइक, कैसा है अभी, आर यू गाइस डेटिंग, आर यू गाइस टुगेदर, वेयर डू यू सी बोथ ऑफ यू?
Alright, firstly, nobody hypnotized me. Okay, nobody can actually. You
Right.
know, it was very pure feeling. जैसे मैंने कहा कि वो हम साथ में रह रहे थे, you know, and मेरी मुझे प्यार हो गया था, and she was more कि you know she loves me as a friend, you know, and but she realized it. So yes, we are dating, we are in a relationship, and it's very healthy. It's madly in love, you know. But we again at the same time we are pushing each other in our careers. It's right now it's a more career. You know, she also tells me focus on your career, and I tell her the same thing. But I think career and प्यार is वो साथ में कभी वो नहीं आता है. You know, दखल अंदाज नहीं करता है. आपको जिससे प्यार है, but आप अपना काम में best दे रहे हो. You know, so it's I think everything is nice, and I really love her, and everything is happy and good and positive. So yeah.
So everything's new for Asim. You know how
Yes,
people
yes.
say, पहले you see someone, you fall in love, and then you have a live-in relationship. Big boss house की वजह से आपका पहले live-in relationship हो गया, और फिर वो love में develop हुआ.
There you go.
So the cycle's been different, but the love is true. The love is pure.
true. Yes, yes.
Now
yes.
one fun question.
Yeah.
Leaving Himanshi aside, as friends also,
Yeah.
you are sleeping, you wake up one day,
Yeah.
and you find 2 other Big Boss contestants in your own house. If you had to
Okay.
choose to, who would those 2 be?
Rashmi and Vishal.
Your closest 2 friends.
Yes, Rashmi and Vishal will be cracking jokes all day, man. Vishal की तो मैं बात बोलते ही मुझे you know हंसी आती है. So it's just a very fun guy, man. It's just very very positive vibe from both of them, I guess. So yeah.
And you know what you realize now is what you see in the house. You know, it's like any family. You
Yes.
live together, you fight, and you know, once we were talking before we started rolling that जो घर के अंदर रहते हैं, घर की बात घर में ही रहती है. बाहर जो चीजें जाती हैं is what you see and what you want to perceive it as. Everyone carries on with their life,
Right.
and everyone starts working on their career. You are one of the fittest models even before entering the house,
Yeah.
and you came out like you never stopped working out.
Yeah.
What was your fitness mantra in between all the chaos in the house? How did you take time out? How did you work out?
Time, you know, it's like you guys see 24. आप एक सवा घंटे का देखते हो, ठीक है? So, but it's 24 घंटे होते हैं वहाँ पे, you know, and it's a routine. It's a routine, you know. तो मैंने वो routine बनाया अपना. मैं बाहर भी वैसे ही routine रखता था, and it's like working out was like it's the same thing. I have this desire towards working out, to fitness, that I just don't want to give up ever, you know. So I think तो वहाँ पे मेरे को time मिलता था. बाद में मेरे workouts पे भी issue बने, but like I said, that it was from my heart that I want to just do it. I want to motivate the youth also that जो भी हो रहा है life में, just keep working out. मेरा कभी हाथ पे injury था, कभी लगता था, but I used to just keep doing it. Just like I said, I never gave up. So that's how it is. So yeah, fitness is something with me. It plays a very big role in my life. Yeah.
Which it shows.
Yes.
So if there was one person from all the contestants in Bigg Boss जिसको दरवाजे के अंदर बंद ही रहना चाहिए था, कभी रियल वर्ल्ड में आना ही नहीं चाहिए था, वो कौन है ऐसा? 1 या 2 या 3 जिसकी जिंदगी घर तक ही सीमित रहनी चाहिए थी, बाहर आए नहीं हो कभी. It'll be better for the world.
I think everybody deserves this world, you know. इसमें good or bad होता रहता है, you know. And I think nobody should be, you know, around
Confined.
those 4 walls, and you know, because वहाँ बहुत patience test होते हैं, and you know, I don't give this, you know, ये किसी के लिए मैं नहीं बोलना चाहता कि उसको अंदर ही रखना चाहिए. It's a blessing. This world is a blessing. I think everybody deserves here to do whatever they want to do. It's their life. And 5 महीने के लिए डाल दो फिर से, you know, कुछ चलेगा. But किसी I won't say nobody's name. Yeah.
And you know, सबकी ड्रीम होती है, but हर सपने को पूरा करने के लिए there's an army of people behind them.
Yes.
So for you, who are the key people who've played a very strong role in making you reach where you are today? And inshallah आगे भी आप ही के साथ चलेंगे वो सब लोग.
Firstly, I want to thank Almighty God. You know, He's been there with me. You know, my dad played a very big role because उन्होंने ही मुझे मुंबई भेजा. You know, starting के acting course में जो उन्होंने पैसे दिए मेरे को, PG जहाँ पे मैं रहता था वहाँ पे उन्होंने पूरा support किया मुझे पहले 2 साल. And he told me, he was very frank. This is the money I can give you. This is the time I can help you. You'll have to do it in this time. Otherwise, I can't because I'm going to be retiring in another 2 years.
Right.
Very clear, you know. And for me it was like okay, you know, but starting के 1 साल पता ही नहीं चलता, मुंबई में टाइम बहुत जल्दी जाता है, but it was more कि हाँ भाई कैसे करना है, but वो जुनून, वो desire की वजह से everything was fallen in place. I was working out, you know, to be the best model, you need to be in shape, you need to have the best pictures, you know, and I had everything, you know, you need to be the best, you know, the looks and the hair and everything, and I was killing it. So it was just, I believed in myself so much every day, okay, I'm the best.
Yeah.
So that's how it is. So then my dad and now my brother has supported me so much outside, you know. So I appreciate everybody and the audience. I am here because of the audience.
Yeah.
The Bigg Boss journey, they saw the real me. They supported me. So life starting, let's say with dad, you know, and it was me believed in myself. But the Bigg Boss journey is all the audience. जनता की वजह से मैं यहाँ हूँ, and now I'm just doing good and gonna be doing good in my life. Same desires, same everything, just moving ahead.
Super. So now you can see big dreams that went to the Bigg Boss house and the big star sitting right in front of you.
Thank you so
May
much.
all your dreams come true. May you do super well. And just before we sign off, just you're known for rapping phenomenally. Just something for our viewers, just one line.
Alright, okay. हमें सारी दुनिया चिन्ह कमाया, वे लोग की बोल देवे आपा करके बखाया.
Well done. Thank you guys for watching, and you're going to be seeing a lot more of Asim on television, in film, and everywhere, all on billboards. Good luck to you. See you
Thank you
soon.
so much. Thank you so much.
So if you're a fan of Asim Riaz and you enjoyed the interview, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Click on the bell icon for notifications. See you.